Brake fluid transfers brake pedal pressure to your wheels and helps you stop. If your level is low, it might mean your brake pads are worn or there's a leak in the braking system, and either situation can be unsafe. Subaru does not recommend topping it off yourself, but you can keep an eye on it. Here's how. Park on a level surface, locate the brake fluid reservoir and refer to the markings on the side. The fluid should be light amber in appearance, and the level at max. If it's not, or if your brake light comes on, come see us immediately. Our factory-trained teams will check your brake fluid level and the condition of your brakes. We're here to help make it last.